Apple cider vinegar, such as Bragg's apple cider vinegar, a very, very good brand. Apple cider vinegar has a ton of uses in our animals and in people. In fact, there are books written on, hundreds of uses of apple cider vinegar that can, prevent and treat all sorts of conditions. In our animals, I especially use it to help acidify, help to keep the body at the right pH. So we often add like a teaspoon or two to the food. You might have to dilute it because the taste isn't very, very good. But apple cider vinegar diluted can be used in the ears, like a 1 to 5 or 1 to 10 dilution with some warm water is wonderful as a natural antifungal and antibacterial preparation in the ears, often less toxic than, again, the topical steroid antibiotic creams. You can use it on hot spots or local yeast infections. Apple cider vinegar has a wonderful reputation in treating and preventing yeast infections in our animals, which are unfortunately very, very common in today's especially allergic pet. But that a wonderful addition as well. People will often use sardines even as a food-based source of omega-3 fatty acids for animals, as long as it's water-based and not kept in oil, and it's an omega-3 based sardine. And so sometimes giving our animals some, sardines can actually be helpful for the skin and the coat, and again, the omega-3s for the joints as well. Using collagen is another new and kind of exciting use of a natural product in our bodies. Collagen can be useful to help with healthy joints and arthritis. It's very, very good for healthy bones. It boosts the appetite so that our animals are eating better. So if our animals are a little under the weather with some sort of chronic disease or acute disease, giving them some collagen can be tremendously helpful. It aids in digestion. And again, it's very, very good for healthy bones and joints. Ticks are very, very tough to prevent in our animals. And I've often had clients use even something like turmeric essential oil, putting a few drops down the back, starting at the top of the neck, mid back, and lower back. And turmeric essential oil can actually be a tick repellent as well as so yeah, turmeric essential oil can be used as a preventative as well as treating animals that have exposed to ticks. Ticks can be very, very tough. There are a lot of good essential oil products out there, but you may want to try turmeric essential oil, put down the spine of the animal and see if that can work to help prevent or treat tick infestation.